Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you are doing well. So this video is for O level and IGCSE economic students, and this video contains some important questions that may be tested in the upcoming June 2024 exam series in paper 2, right? So in this video I'll also show you one complete exam paper and its complete solution as well. So I suggest all of you to watch this video carefully so that you can benefit get maximum benefit out of it. And in tomorrow's class I'll also try to make another video in which I'll explain all the questions of this guest paper. So first of all, you must know this formula sheet, and you can take screenshot of these pages, so you can read them afterwards as well. So this is the formula sheet that you must know, right? So again, take a screenshot of this one and screenshot of this one as well. Okay, so I think I missed one formula that is really important as well, and that formula is like finding the growth rate, economic growth rate, right? So economic growth rate is calculated as change in GDP over initial GDP multiplied by 100. So this is the formula to find out growth rate. Okay, so now moving to some important command words and some assessment objectives as well. So there are 3 assessment objectives: assessment objective 1, 2 and 3. Assessment objective 1 is you have to give only knowledge, and knowledge includes basic definition or formula or identifying the factors. And assessment objective 2 is explanation of 2 points generally, and it is for 4-mark question and sometimes for 6-mark question as well. And assessment objective 3 is a discuss question, and it carries the third assessment objective is basically when you have to write in favor and against the given statement of question, and this is for 8-mark. Okay, so these are some important questions for 2 marks. These questions may be tested for 2 marks. I suggest all of you to take the screenshot or stop the video and read all of these questions. If you find any difficulty in any of these questions, feel free to write in the comment box. There are so many other students as well who may help you out immediately, and they may reply to your comment, or I'll also get back to you as early as possible and I'll guide you how to answer a certain question. So stop the video, read the questions carefully, and also take the screenshots as well. So these are the list of questions that may be tested for 2 marks. And now moving to the 4-mark questions. This is the list of 4 marks questions, so you can take the screenshot. All of questions are showing on the screen right now. Read all of them carefully and try to find their answers from the textbook, or you may use internet as well. And if you feel still any difficulty, you may write in the comment and I'll explain it to you as well. And this is the list of 6 marks questions. Again, take the screenshot and try to read all of them, and again write in the comment if you don't understand any question. Okay, so this is the list of 8-mark questions that may be tested in IGCSE and O-level examination. The exam paper for IGCSE and O-level is exactly the same, right? So they will be tested at the same time and paper will be exactly the same. Okay, so now moving to one completely solved paper. So you get like 2 hours 15 minutes time to solve this paper. So section A is compulsory, you have to answer this question, and then you get section B, and in section B you have to answer 3 out of 4 questions. Okay, so start reading this case study. You can stop the video, read the question, read the case study carefully, and then play the video again. Okay, so this is the case study. You can read it carefully, right? Take screenshot, you can, so that you can refer it to refer to the case study whenever you are solving these questions. Okay, so these are all of the questions of case study, and stop the video and read all of them, right? And once you're done, then you can move to the section B part of this paper. So this is the section B, and in section B you have to answer 3 questions out of 4 questions. So every question contains 4 parts, part A, B, C and D. So part A is always for 2 marks, B for 4 marks, 6 and 8 marks. So this is set pattern, and Cambridge exactly follows the same. And this is question number 3 and some part of question number 4 as well. So this is complete question number 4, and this is complete question number 5. Okay, so now moving to the answers of all of these questions. So you can see the answers on the screen right now. Stop the video, read the answers carefully. This is the answer to part A, part B and part C, and then D. Stop the video again, take the screenshot as well, right? So okay, so this is part D and E, and moving to part F, you can see part of the answer here, and this is the remaining part of F, and you can see answer to part G as well, right? So this is part G. Okay, and this is part H. Again, same scheme. Stop the video, read the questions and answers carefully. But if you still feel any kind of difficulty, just write in the comment, and I'll try to help you out in the best possible way. Okay, so now we are moving to section B of this paper, and you can see the answers, exact answers that you should write for 100% marks. And this is part C, and this is part D, and yeah, this is the complete answer to part D. No, there is some remaining part of D as well. And then you can see question number 3A. Again, stop the video, read the question and answers carefully, and then play it again. Okay, so part AB of question number 3 is completely showing here, and part C partially showing here. So this is part C, and yeah, you can see part of the answer here. Okay, so this is a bit longer answer. You need not to write that much, but I have given like extra points so that you may pick any of them that you are comfortable with. So this is the answer to part D. This is a complete sample answer for you, so you can follow the same pattern, and it will definitely help you out to prepare well, inshallah. Okay, so question number 4A and 4B are showing on the screen. If you need to take screenshot of questions, then you can go back to this video and again take screenshot. And this is part D, and this is the remaining part of part D question. And now moving to question number 5. This is the last question. I have solved all of them, but you need not to solve all of them because you have to solve any 3 questions. Okay, so this is part D, and again stop the video, read the question carefully and read the answer as well. Okay, so this is end of the paper, and complete answers, you have seen complete sample answers, and if you still feel any kind of difficulty, then you may write in the comments and I'll get back to you as early as possible. Similarly, if you wish to join like online WhatsApp group that is completely safe, and that is just a news group, basically no one can see your contact details and names, only I will be able to share some stuff there, and you can just like, comment, like, or basically respond to that. You cannot write in text form, just you can send some emoji there if you wish, right? Otherwise it's totally safe for everyone because your number will remain private and no one can see your number and your name as well. Even I can't see that, I think, right? So this is it for this like guest paper for O level and IGCSE students. I believe it will help you out, and I suggest all of you to watch next videos that I'll be sharing about the guest paper and answers to the guest paper. In the first video I'll explain you all the short questions, and in the next video I'll basically explain you the answers to 4-mark questions, then 6, and then 8-mark questions. So stay connected. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.